Debt-laden Essar Oil, which lost the sales tax liability case against the Gujarat government, is set to raise about 6,300 crores as additional debt to pay the liability. This is in excess of about $1 billion. Nisha Poddar joins us with exact details on what she's picking up from her sources. Nisha, tell us.
Right, Tanveer. What I gather from my sources right now is that Essar Oil has already written a letter to the Gujarat government, because after losing the case against Gujarat government, where no sales tax deferment benefits could be given to the company, Essar Oil was supposed to pay about 6,309 crore rupees as sales tax for its refinery project, as well as additional interest costs, which makes it a total amount of about 8,100 crore rupees. Now I gather is that after losing the case, the Gujarat government had written to Essar Oil for the payment and immediate payment of this amount, while Essar Oil has sought for a longer tenure of about 6 years for repayment. As a backup plan, on the other hand, Essar Oil has also got a sanction from SBI. State Bank of India has said that in case the Gujarat government does not listen to its plea, then it would go ahead and sanction and give 6,300 crore rupees for the repayment of sales tax to the Gujarat government. Now here it can be read in two ways. First, the additional debt burden on Essar Oil, because right now, remember, they are under corporate debt restructuring of 9,000 crore rupees already, and they are looking at exiting that. Over and above that, 6,500 crores of debt on top of that will bring down or bring a lot of pressure on the company. On the other hand, 18% is the kind of interest rate that the Gujarat government is asking for. So if they take this kind of an amount on their books from SBI, it is at a rate of 12.5% is what I gather from my banking sources. So in that case, they'll net stand to gain a little bit of interest, additional interest cost that they would have been paying to the Gujarat government. So at the moment, they are pursuing, they are making efforts so that they get additional time, and if they don't, then SBI has already told them that they are going to give this amount. Remember, for SBI, it will be a huge exposure to Essar Oil, because they already have 3,500 crores of exposure. With this, it could make it up to over 9,000 crore rupees.